Are you tired of working endless hours just to see your bank balance stay the same? Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and realizing you made money while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, that dream is more real than ever, thanks to the rise of digital tools, automation, and smart investments. In today's video, we are diving deep into 7 powerful passive income ideas that actually work in 2025, and how you can start building real, long-term wealth, even if you are starting from scratch. Welcome to Rich Map, where we guide you toward smarter money moves, step by step. Let's start with something that is been booming in dividend investing. Now, this is not new, but it's one of the most time-tested ways to earn passive income. You buy shares of companies that pay consistent dividends, and you get a portion of their profits every quarter or even every month without doing anything. The key in 2025 is to look for companies with stable cash flows and growing payouts. Think of giants like Johnson & Johnson or Coca-Cola. But do not forget about ETFs that focus on high dividend yields. Start small, reinvest your dividends, and over time, that snowball effect will be powerful. The beauty, you are literally getting paid for owning quality companies. Next, let's talk about digital products, one of the easiest ways to build passive income online right now. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or even digital templates. These assets can sell around the clock once they are created. For example, if you are good at budgeting, you could design a digital planner and sell it on Etsy, or if you have a skill, say video editing, photography, or marketing. Package your knowledge into an online course on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. The setup takes effort at first, but after that, it's mostly autopilot. The best part, it scales infinitely. Sell 1 or sell 1,000,000. Your workload does not really change. Third on our list, affiliate marketing. It's one of my personal favorites because it's a perfect blend of content creation and automation. You promote products you genuinely believe in, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. In 2025, affiliate marketing is stronger than ever, especially with social platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels driving huge traffic. The trick is to build trust. Do not promote random products. Pick a niche you care about, like finance, fitness, or tech, and create helpful, honest content. Once your videos or blogs start ranking, those affiliate links keep paying you month after month. Now, idea number 4, renting out assets. And no, I am not just talking about real estate. Of course, renting a property or an Airbnb still works incredibly well if you can afford it. But even small things can generate passive income now. You can rent out your car on platforms like Turo, your camera gear, or even storage space through online marketplaces. In 2025, the sharing economy has matured. People are willing to pay to use what they do not need to own. So, think creatively. What do you already have that could earn you money on the side? Next up, number 5, creating a YouTube automation channel. This is one of the most exciting opportunities in 2025. You do not even need to show your face. You can hire scriptwriters, voiceover artists, and video editors from freelance platforms like Fiverr or Up. Choose a niche like finance, motivation, or tech reviews, and post consistently. Once your videos gain traction, YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links start rolling in. It's not truly set and forget at the start. But once you build momentum, it can become a serious source of automated income. Number 6, investing in REITs, or real estate investment trusts. This is like owning property without the hassle of managing tenants or repairs. You buy shares of a REIT, and you earn income from rent collected on properties they manage. It's perfect for people who want exposure to real estate but do not have huge capital or want a hands-free investment. In 2025, many REITs are shifting focus to new growth areas like data centers, warehouses for e-commerce, and senior housing. All sectors that are growing fast. You can invest through platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or any major brokerage with just a few dollars. And finally, number 7, building an app or software tool. This might sound complicated, but hear me out. In 2025, AI-based app builders and no-code platforms have made it easier than ever to create simple tools that solve problems. Think about small automation apps, productivity tools, or niche calculators. You do not have to be a coder. Tools like Glide, Bubble, and Adalo let you build and monetize apps without writing code. On Sahit's Live, your users pay subscriptions or ad revenue flows in every month. The upfront effort pays off for years. If you find a real problem to solve, now, I want to be honest. Passive income does not mean zero effort. Every stream starts active. You will need to invest time, creativity, or capital upfront, but once the foundation is set, your money and systems start working for you instead of the other way around. The key in 2025 is diversification. Do not rely on just one stream. Maybe combine dividend stocks with digital products or affiliate marketing. That way, if one slows down, the others keep your income steady. If you are feeling overwhelmed, start with one. The best passive income stream is the one you actually take action on. Set a small goal. Earn your first $100 online, then scale from there. Once you see that first bit of passive income hit your account, trust me, it changes everything. You realize that your time is not just tied to a paycheck anymore, you are building freedom. Before we wrap up, let me ask you this. Which of these 7 ideas are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below because I would love to see which path you are taking toward financial independence. And if you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to RichMap, and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss more strategies to build wealth and live life on your own terms. Remember, money should work for you, not the other way around. This is your roadmap to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Right here on RichMap.